and gentlemen, I'm here in Boone, Iowa at Wal-Mart. Got here yesterday when I unloaded. Came over here and got on the load board, booked the load, and yesterday afternoon they canceled the load on me because the crane didn't want to deal with this blizzard. And I seen a guy go by here on a electric bicycle earlier, so it doesn't keep the locals from getting out. But the snow plow team, they worked on this place all night. They kept the parking lot cleaned up, ladies and gentlemen. So if y'all need to get to the Wal-Mart here in Boone, Iowa, they're waiting in there. It seems like a ghost town inside of Wal-Mart here in Boone, Iowa. Not very many customers in there. The truck is turning into a popsicle. My AP unit's been keeping me warm. And keep on looking for a load, ladies and gentlemen. Here in Boone, Iowa. 1/9/2024. Approximately 9 a.m. this morning. A little windy. My hands are hurting because it's like getting down into the 20s. And I'm going to get back in the truck and get back on the load board. You guys have a wonderful day here from. That's our wishes from